Good afternoon all, the Honorable Memhamni Laila as the participle, the Honorable all the friends. First of all, let praise and gratitude to God who has given His grace and favors so that we can all coming together in this place in the healthy condition without of any obstruction. Many introduction. My name is Cici Stefanisha. I'm from grade 2D, majoring in civic education. In this nice association, let me talk about the importance of moral value for the current generation. Personality, we all know that education is the most important part of the life of our nation and state. Without education, it is impossible for us to continue the life of the state, especially to maintain the dignity of the nation in the eyes of the international community. A nation can be said to be advanced if education in that country is the advanced and can manage human relations and natural relations properly for the wisdom of the citizen. For the reason, various effort has been made jointly by various parents in order to advance Indonesia education. However, equipping future generation with science and technology alone is no sufficient to continue of even advance to life in the nation. They need to reckon a moral education that shapes the nation future generation as individual with noble, honest, and responsible morals. This moral education is one of the agents to improve the condition of the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, let's cheer along with friends that I love. We can real reason that the downturn of the nation can be caused by the corruption of the citizen. It called to be the moral corruption is caused by generation itself to cannot control itself with fight and disable in the creator. In addition, ethnic can also be caused by being too complete with television show or entertainment that is less educational. The facts show the nation future generation that moral gain with, especially from their family and school. This is reflected in the Newsweek review that internet can is big cities and mostly visited by students, including elementary and junior high school children. However, in truth, or the sum of 10 victor, including elementary and junior high school students, did not use the internet as well as possible. They do not ask to seek information to leave positive things, but ask to get negative things because of pornography. Of course, this fact is very troubling for many parties, especially parents and teachers, while the fact about the complex of honestly ethic the parents will continue have become familiar news, such as corruption being pillory, long is a lega superiorly, and so on. Therefore, it is obligatory for us, especially parents and teachers, to pay attention to education for the future of the nation. Not only generation education, but more importantly, moral education and fostering faith and pity to the Creator, so that the next generation of the nation has been a natural personality and high idealism. Thus, the program of the nation is expected to be reached soon. For that, various efforts has been made by various parents in order to advance Indonesia education. However, equipping the current generation with school education alone is not sufficient to continue advancing the life of the nation. They need to regain moral education that will shape the next generation of the nation to become individuals with noble honors and highly responsible moral. Moral education is one of the essence for us to be improve the condition of the nation today. Awareness and high sense of responsibility will the pillars of the and foundation of the intelligence of the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, so that I will speech that I could deliver this time. Please forget me in there is mistake of even someone this speech. Thank you for the attention and good afternoon all.